first ever snowfall experience. Initially, the snowfall is very less, but I still started enjoying myself, and I think you can see how happy I am. The snow is becoming very heavy now, and it's like it's falling very fast. So just see how it is. I'm enjoying the snow. I'm feeling like I am in an igloo. Wow. See this snowfall continues for at least 2 to 3 days. Then we can make a snowman. That's so wonderful. I'll capture that as well if this is staying for a long time, and then I'll share it with all of you. It is so chill, but still I don't want to go inside, and I was coming outside again and I'm trying to enjoy the snow. Now the snowfall has become very heavy and with a heavy breeze as well. There is no specific direction of the snowfall, it is just coming from all through. I think I have to go back inside, but before that let me show you all how it is, from the far off houses, how they are looking and all. This, I should say, wonderful, wonderful. Extremely chilled, and I thought I'll come back inside. So if possible, I'll try to again capture. I can't stop myself sitting inside, and then again I came out, and this is the front view of my house, and everything is covered with snow, and it was looking so beautiful. The snow started increasing so much, and it was so heavy breeze as well, and I didn't step out of my house after that, and I was just sitting near the patio and watching how the snow is falling. It is just like cotton. See how wonderful this view is. I was so happy to see this snowfall and how it is. It feels so good actually. Watching the snow and the lights, it looks wonderful. There is no sign of grass at all. This is the nighttime look of the snowfall. The trees are so wonderfully filled with ice, and it was superb. Bye. Hope you all enjoyed this snowfall with me. How my first snowfall experience is. This is day 2. This is how it looks today. It's a sunny day, but still we have the snow a little bit. It didn't melt actually. The kids are enjoying the snow a lot, and see how they are enjoying and playing. And these trees, the snow has become ice, and in the morning sunlight it was like shining, and if you can see the water drops, it was so good. Hey, so today is day 3, and this is how the snow is today. And today it is not anymore snow, and it is all the ice. It is so hard, and see how it is. It is not even coming to my hand. Wish I had is to make a snowman, but the snow was not so heavy and I couldn't make a snowman. It has melted half the way there, but here we still
And
have
then in
one
day
kind of
4,
ice.
the ice is all melted, and I can see the grass now. And then next comes our Christmas lighting tour. So let's see that now. So today we are going to see the Christmas lighting decorations for the houses. This is such a big house, and see how nicely they decorated with all lightings, and see the minions. They're so cute. We were not able to sit inside, and then again we came out and we took some pics as well. This is another wonderful house which was fully decorated with lights, and there was no space left anywhere in the house without a light. And my friends were sure for this house, like every year they have this lighting decoration for Christmas, so we directly went there to watch. These are all the houses. Like on the way while we were traveling, we were checking out for some houses, and this house is one more wonderful and beautiful. From here, it is all from my community, because we also had a competition in our community on patio decoration for the best patio decorations and all. And see the decorations, how nicely they have arranged everything. This is another wonderful patio decoration. It is fully covered with lights and all these inflatables. This is house 3, and this is house 4. Wherever I was able to see some decorations and lightings, I was stopping everywhere. This is our favorite. If you have watched the Halloween celebrations, this is the same house, and see how they have all the themes with them. Last time there was a witch there, now there is a Santa Claus. See how I was enjoying.
Gone away is the bluebird. Here's sing is the new bird. He sings a love song as we go along, walking in the wind.
Such a huge Santa, it was going till the first floor, and this is all the right side of the garden. They have completely filled it with lightings. Wow, that's so good actually. This is the complete view of the decoration. When you see a Santa, a pic is mandatory. Yay! The Christmas candies! Okay, everyone, bye bye. Catch you all with wonderful videos like this. Stay tuned. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Me, Vasu. Until then, bye.